Welcome back, guys, to Superior Products, and today we're going to feature the Gold Kit. So this is new and improved, and this is everything that you need to clean the inside and outside of your car, from soaps to dressings to window cleaner, you name it, we got it, and this is going to be the perfect kit for you, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so today we're going to feature the Coverall Dark Fury. This is essentially an all-purpose cleaner for bugs, wheels. You can also use it on rubber floor mats, which is what we're going to showcase today. So here we go. All right, so now we're gonna show the Coverall Dark Fury. It is a bug and wheel cleaner, but again, you can use this on plastics, you can use this on rubber. So today we're gonna feature this on this VW engine bay, and so here we go. All right, so today we're gonna feature the Dirt Buster. This is a concentrated car wash soap, pH neutral. So anybody looking to use this in a bucket or a foam cannon, today we're gonna feature it in a foam cannon and show you the thick suds you can get from the Dirt Buster. All right, so this is a pretty big foam cannon. I filled it pretty much to the 5 here, and then the rest filled with water. So it's about a 1:5 ratio depending on the size of your foam cannon. All right, so today we're gonna feature the Easy Shine. This is essentially the quick detailer. Can also be used as a clay lubricant. So we're gonna use this as like a quick detailer on this VW today. And all you're gonna do is spray it on, wipe it off, buff off with the dry side. A little bit goes a long way, so just spray it on and use your towel. It's got a great scent. Use your dry side and buff in. All right, today we're gonna feature Greenall. So this is an all-purpose cleaner. You can use this on your vehicle. You can use this in your house. You can use this for your boat. This is literally an all-purpose cleaner. So today, this is ready to use. We're gonna use this on the interior, leather seats, door panels, center consoles, cup holders, you name it, you can use this to clean it. Toothbrush. All right, so today we're gonna feature the interior dressing. This is actually the Aqua Gloss water-based dressing. We've got a clean interior or engine bay here that we're going to dress. So this is perfect for repelling dust, serves as kind of a UV protectant as well for your rubbers and plastics. So we're just gonna spray it on and spread it out. Most of the interior and exterior surfaces of your car. So today we're going to feature this on the door panel. You can either spray it on the door or spray it on a brush or an applicator. Today we're just going to spray it on and spread it out. You can use this on rubber mats, you can use this on trim, you can use this on engine bay, so very versatile, water-based. So today we're going to feature it on these mats. All right, so today we're going to feature the Leather Lotion. This is for those of you that like to keep your vinyl and leather seats nourished and UV protected. Spread this out.
Show you the difference of a conditioned leather seat versus just a clean one.
All right, so today we're going to feature the glass cleaner. This is an Aerosol, very, very good product. You'll see when I spray it on, it applies as a foam, helps break down any of the dirt, grime. This window is perfect. It's got a lot of child fingerprints and who knows what on it. Low VOC and leaves no residue. Also works for those of you with tinted windows. So come check it out. All right, so today we're going to use the OG. This is Coverall Aerosol. Spray on, no need to wipe off. No mess, no fling. If you live in a state that's VOC compliant, you can obviously get the VOC compliant version, but today we're going to feature the standard. All right, guys, so we just wrapped up this detail for this beautiful VW blue SUV. Thanks for tuning in. Drop a comment below in which kit you think is going to be the best seller, and we'll see you next time.